How do you know if your bladder is healthy? Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, with no urgent need to rush to the bathroom or worry about leaks. That's a sign your bladder might be functioning well. A healthy bladder usually works quietly in the background, letting you go about your day without discomfort or interruptions. Typically, most people urinate about 6 to 8 times in a 24-hour period, but this can vary depending on how much fluid you drink. If you can hold your urine until you find a restroom without feeling a sudden, overwhelming urge, that's another good sign. Waking up once or twice during the night to urinate can be normal, but frequent nighttime trips might suggest a bladder issue. When your bladder is healthy, urination should be pain-free and without burning or discomfort. If you experience pain during urination, it could be a sign of infection or inflammation and should be checked by a healthcare professional. A healthy bladder also means no involuntary urine leakage. If you notice leaks when coughing, sneezing, or during physical activity, it might be a sign of incontinence, which can often be managed with medical advice. Another important indicator is the absence of blood in your urine. If you see blood or notice difficulty emptying your bladder completely, these could be signs of underlying problems like infections, stones, or even more serious conditions such as bladder cancer. A strong, steady urine stream is also a sign of good bladder health. If your flow is weak, interrupted, or you have trouble starting urination, it might be worth consulting a healthcare provider. Remember, maintaining bladder health also involves being aware of risk factors. Smoking, exposure to certain chemicals, chronic bladder inflammation, and urinary tract infections can increase the risk of bladder problems. If you experience any persistent symptoms like increased frequency, urgency, leakage, pain, or blood in your urine, it's important to seek medical advice. Early detection and treatment can help manage potential issues effectively. In summary, a healthy bladder allows you to urinate comfortably, regularly, and without pain or leakage. If you notice any changes or symptoms that concern you, talking to a healthcare professional is the best step. Everyone's body is different, and a medical expert can provide personalized guidance based on your specific needs.